Hello everyone, my name is lalit Solanki. Today I am going to talk about multimedia. What is multimedia? Introduction of multimedia, applications of multimedia. First, we started with definition of multimedia. Multimedia refers to the computer assisted integrations of text, drawings, still and moving images, videos, graphics, audio, animation, and any other media in which any type of information can be expressed, stored, communicated, and processed digitally. Multimedia is a representation of information in a way of attractive and interactive manner with the use of a combination of text, audios, videos, graphics, and animation. In other words, we can say that multimedia is a computerized method of presenting information combining textual data, audio, visual audio, graphics, and animations. Multimedia time always takes separated dimensions in the media representation. Based on time dimension, the representations space media can be time independent, discrete, text, graphics, image, newspaper, time dependent, continuous, audios, videos, animations, video sequence of frames presented to the user periodically. Time dependent, periodically, media is not continuous. Multimedia elements are composed into a project using authoring tools. Multimedia authoring tools are programs that provide to the capability for creating a complete multimedia presentations by linking together objects such as paragraph of text, songs and illustrations and audio with appropriate interactive user control. By defining the objects' relationship to each other and by sequencing them in a appropriate order, authors can provide attractive and useful graphical applications. To name a few authoring tools like Micromedia Flash, Micromedia Director, Authorway, the hardware and the software that govern the limits of what can happen are multimedia platform or environment. Multimedia is interactive when the inter-user is allowed to control what and when the elements are delivered. Interactive multimedia is hypermedia when the end user is provided with the structure or linked elements through which he/she can navigate. Multimedia is linear when it is not interactive and the users just sit and watch as if it is movie. Multimedia is non-linear when the user can given the navigational tool and can browse the content at will. Now we are talking about multimedia system. What is multimedia system? A multimedia system is categorized by computer controlled, integrated productions, manipulation, storage, and communication of independent information, which is encoded and leased through a continuous, which means time dependent, and a discrete, which means time independent medium. Multimedia system. Data streams is a sequence of individual packets transmitted in a time dependent fashions. Packets can carry information for either continuous or discrete media. Transmission modes. Asynchronous packets can reach receiver as fast as possible. Suited from discrete media, additional time constraint must be imposed for continuous media. Now, data streams synchronize definitions maximum end-to-end delay. Packets can be received at an earlier time for retrieving uncomposed video at data rate 40 bytes and maximal end-to-end delay. 1 second that receives should have temporarily storage 17.5 mbits. Asynchronous defines maximum and minimum end-to-end delay. Storage requirements at the receiver reductions. Streaming media popular approach to continuous media over the internet. Playback at a user's computer is done while the media is being transferred, no waiting till complete downloaded. You can find streaming in internet ratio sessions, distance learning, cricket live, movie trailers. Now we are talking about multimedia applications. Multimedia plays major role in following areas: instructions, business, advertisement, training materials, presentations, customer support service, and multimedia also in entertainment, interactive games, enabling technology accessibility to web-based materials, teaching, learning, disabled child and adults, fine arts and humanities, museum tours, art exhibitions, presentations of literatures. You also can see in these images multimedia applications in medicine, in training, in public awareness campaigns. That's all about multimedia. I hope you enjoy and learn something new today. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.